Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kona Lakshmi, robotic minimal access and bariatric surgeons, Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad. We know that hernia is a very common surgical problem which happens to almost 20-30% of the population. It could be either their muscles are basically very weak, or for some reason their muscles weaken over time. It could be because of aging, it could be because of some previous surgical cuts which have happened on the muscles, or they are putting on weight, or in females with multiple pregnancies. So with all these reasons, certain areas of your muscles on the abdomen start giving away, and then you find bulges happening at that point. That is called the hernia. So when your abdominal organs, mainly the intestines, start coming out through that weak areas in the abdominal wall muscles, it is called hernia. So when hernias are very small, we normally don't uh, advise surgery. But when the hernias are becoming big, that is more than 2 centimeters, that is the time the hernias stand the risk of damaging your the organs which are trying to get into that muscular gap. So if your intestines get trapped in that gap, then there's chance that you may lose a part of the intestine, you may become very sick, and you may need a major surgery. So before all these troubles happen, you should get your hernia repaired. But hernia repair is just not a very easy or a thing to be taken lightly. If the hernia has to be repaired, always ensure that you get your hernias repaired at good centers where the surgeons have a good experience of dealing with simple to complex hernias, because your result entirely depends upon the surgeon's expertise, the quality of the material or the mesh which is being used, and the sterility of the OT environment. Because if any of these things is not proper, then there's high chances that your hernia can fail, your hernia can repeat, your mesh can get infected, or in few times you can end up with other problems which are not directly linked to the hernia, but maybe because of lack of sterility, or lack of proper size of the mesh, you can end up with problems. So whenever you have a hernia, always get a surgical consultation done. And if you're advised surgery, make sure that your hernia is repaired in a good high volume center with good results and good expertise. Thank you.